I always see the current stock. It shows me when an order has been dispatched or when an order will be delivered. I can independently follow up on orders. It makes a lot of things easier for me.
It's always very precise. We can download and analyze the data and compare it to our management systems. This allows us to have a correct alignment between physical stock and accounting inventory.
We use this supply chain platform to help us manage all our B&C parts. It's a lot easier to use than we first thought. We can also use the phone to find information regarding our stored material. This is an ideal example of Industry 4.0 in our factory.
It offers flexibility. Whenever we need to change our assembly lines, we can directly adjust the materials we need. This saves us a lot of time and effort.
Gain full control and transparency of your material flow with Bossard's interactive supply chain platform, Arams. Track your orders, optimize your production according to instant needs, and access intelligent analytics all on one platform. Bring Industry 4.0 to life in your factory and improve your supply chain. If you wish to learn more, please contact us for a demonstration.